Little bit of an impulse, but we just bought a Surrey. What do you think, you guys? Can we do it?
We just did it.
Okay, little bit of an impulse, but we just bought a Surrey. And the guy, he's nice enough that he is dropping it off at our house. We put it on the back of his truck and we are headed to our house. We kind of lost him in the caravan. Hopefully we run back into him.
Across the way. Oh, there it is. There it is. Sweet.
All right.
Okay, let's go for it.
Feels weird to push it. I think this purchase merits some explanation. See, growing up in South Jersey, you'd see Surreys going up and down the Ocean City boardwalk all the time, and I always had this dream of one day maybe owning one. I was browsing the classified ads, and I saw a Surrey for an unbeatable price, and it had only been posted just the day before I saw it. He had bought it for his grandkids at the start of the pandemic. They rode it around the block twice, and they got tired of it. So he wanted his garage space back and put it up on the classifieds. Usually something like this gets scooped up by a rental company on the East Coast, but I was lucky enough to find it the very next day after it was posted. It's my chance to fulfill a childhood dream. The footage you're watching here is of me fixing a strange clinking noise we heard on its maiden voyage. It turned out to be a couple of loose spokes on the front tire. Luckily, it turned out to be a pretty quick fix. I found out which spokes were loose, and I was able to tighten them easy. So much better. Look, this one's nice and firm. Yeah.
Hi, Sugar. You're so stinky. Do you need a bath? I just get really dirty, Daddy.
Now I get it. This may seem kind of like a random one-off thing, but actually I've been researching this for months. I've been looking up dimensions of Surreys, canopy materials, replacement parts even. I'm going to keep adding to this project. Eventually I want to install a hub motor on the back, so stay tuned for future videos where I continue to trick out this Surrey. Okay, done. Let's test it out. Lift it up.
Whoa. We're driving in 3, 2, 1, go!
Alright, pedal, pedal. I don't hear that noise anymore. Hey, we fixed it.
Okay.
Alright, son. Driving is just like riding a bike. Actually, it is like riding a bike. Okay, straighten out. Nice.
This is fun!
It's great.
I want to drive! Do you think this would help us to actually drive?
So this will actually start to help you, yes.
Oh, we're going straight! I can put my hands up!
There you go.
Whee!
Very nice. Bit of pedals.
And I don't have to drive!
You just get to relax.
Yeah. This is awesome! I can't pedal it.
Tight.
I need to tighten
It's very loose, so I'll grab my tools. Good.
Can I help cook?
I think when they first built it, they didn't tighten everything super well.